Hey, Dr. Fu, I have automated the process of identifying the particles in the image, crop them, and extract them. Before I show you the program, I want to show you briefly how I do it with this very simple example. So it has several particles with different shapes and sizes. The first thing I have to do is to convert it into binary image. And then I click on the Analyze Particles, select it, and then click OK. Then image J identifies 6 different area, which is exactly what I created. And to get each of them, I need to crop, then save the cropped image into a particular file. It can be very time consuming if we have many spots and many images. So the following is that I'm automating it. To do so, I need to use a macro program. So first I open a new window, and then I type in my program. Whatever it does is it takes all the images from this folder and do the analysis, and then dump everything into the new folder. And it's simple as clicking run. It takes a while to run everything. I've already run it, so I'll just show you the result directly. This is input image. I have 3 sample images and 12 the blood stain images provided by Nikita, having 4 images of impact angle 10, 4 images of impact angle 50, and 4 images of impact angle 90. So if we look at the output, the sample colored TIF, can see that it extracts single elements from the original image. And if I just want to provide the original image, well, it has been binarized, but what I'm cropping is the original image, which has color in it. Then if I look at take the angle 90, page 2, you can see that it collects all those little blood drops with cropped boundaries. And also I saved the analysis results, which gives all the parameters of each particle it identified. And we can further filter out some unwanted particles by setting up the threshold of one or more particular parameter. But well, we need Nikita and her professor's help to make sure that our selection makes sense from the forensic science point of view. So basically, this blood drop extracting process has been automated, and it works on my machine. Hopefully it works on your machine as well. Thanks.